All right, my boy. So, what you cooking up, man?
I'm about to cook some orange chicken.
Some orange chicken.
Yes.
That boy on TikTok. That boy got the ingredients. Hi, Stormy.
I'm saying let that thing cut, you know.
Okay, let me see. How you cook with no lights on?
Do we have marmalade? Do we have orange marmalade? That's what it's asking me to make.
Where are you getting this recipe from?
TikTok. You know what I'm saying? This that John for real. That's that John for real. You don't run out. You never run out. Go to the store real fast, get some orange marmalade. I'm too deep.
So you started cooking.
I'm too deep. Bro, I'm making orange chicken. How am I supposed to substitute orange marmalade? Some brown chicken? Alright, it got it for $2.48, bro. We out to Walmart. Come on. I got you. How did you get it? Where the orange marmalade at?
Oh
my god.
I left the mic at the crib.
I told you.
I can hear you.
Oh. I had to make a little U-turn. Did you find it?
Yeah. Alright, so you got your orange marmalade. And what did you learn today?
Be prepared.
Good answer.
Do you tenderize your chicken?
How many times have you done this?
I'm a pro. Actually, I'm like one break.
Anyone else see the package? On the mailman's side, that's why you couldn't put my mail in the box. Look, my wife and I are not making this up. Did you see anybody tampering in there? Maybe somebody took away my left.
So I gotta rewatch the video. It's been a minute. Oh, you gotta put in some cornstarch, twine. I gotta make the cornstarch though. Another bowl. Are we all seasoned up? We all seasoned up. Oh, yeah. Air fry 15 minutes. $15. Like 160 or something like that. That's when the account followed me. It was at 160 followers or like 110. Chicken. Yep. And rice is done, so it's really cooked chicken, sauce chicken, food ready. $15 minutes.
Carter, you hungry?
He's never hungry. He's never hungry.
Never?
Never. Oh, snap. It's done.
It's kind of soupy.
It's off. What's it called? I'm going straight. You want me to straight? You want me to straight? Bro, I'm not.
Taste tester real quick. It's your cooking. I mean, you know, every chef does that. Let us know how it tastes.
Tastes like rice. It's white rice. I mean, can't really make it bad.
Tell your brother what's good.
I'm making some orange chicken, bro.
You were dead ass? I did not know you were serious.
You thought I was playing?
I thought I was joking.
I don't play about that, bro.
Okay, so it's my first time seeing this. For yourself only, right?
Huh?
For you.
I mean, if you don't want to eat, I don't really care.
I was asking.
No, I'm making it I made enough for everybody. I mean, there's dang near 2.5 pans of chicken in there. That's gone. Hey, he don't gotta eat it though. That's the thing. But he looking crazy. You see how he looking. He don't gotta eat it.
So talk to us. What's going on over here?
I'm really eyeballing everything because we don't have any measurements, bro. Then I'm mixing that joint around like that. Then I put that spoon down. Then I go back to the little cookbook. Some brown sugar. Here we go.
Oh, wow. You sure that's not too much?
It says 2 tablespoons. That's got to be at least 2 tablespoons, bro. That's it. That sugar. We'll never use this again.
Why?
Because we don't use, like... Ew, what is that? Yo! Not gonna lie, that was kind of crazy. But now I gotta mix it around so it don't clump or something like that. She's not eating nothing.
You know what? That looks really great. How's it taste?
Tastes good too. Yo, London, come over here, man. Please, I got a little something I want you to try.
Is it ready?
Yes. Why would I give you uncooked chicken? Try it first. It's not even that hot. Nah, I'm not feeding him.
Yo!
Yeah? Yeah.
Stop crying. It's good though.
Nah, you keep trying me, bro.
It's good though.
No, you keep trying. It's getting consistency Frodo. Alright, bet. See, all I need is London for real. Oh, everybody else some haters for real, man. It wasn't even watery.
That's my bag.
Bro, I didn't even eat the strainer, it was just rice. That's crazy.
Don't this need to be washed? Yeah. You.
I didn't even need the strainer for real. It was literally, it's just rice.
Break it up a little.
Tommy!
Alright.
There's nothing going through.
Looking good. Look good. Oh.
Boy, that looks really good. Naheem, get your plate.
They didn't believe in us.
Come on, Naheem.
Got this. Alright, man. Thanks. This looks scrumptious. So how you feel about it? Let's see your opinion. We gotta go back for more.